Golden Energy Mine is engaged in the business of mining and all its related businesses. PT Golden Energy Mines Tbk was established on November 16, 2010. GEMS has three main mine sites: Borneo Indobara, Kwansing Inti Makmur, and Trisula Kencana Sakti. Borneo Indobara operated in Tanah Bumbu, South Kalimantan, with total concession area of more than 24,000 hectares. Kwansing Inti Makmur or Kim Block, located in Jambi, Sumatra. Total concession area of Kim Block covers an area 2,610 hectares. Trisula Kencana Sakti, which is located south of Equator in central Kalimantan, covers area of more than 11,000 hectares. Production activities started in the second quarter of 2011 and currently is using two ports, Panku and Buntok Baru. The production shows significant growth since 2010. Each mine has its own product quality. Year after year, the total coal sales shows significant expansion. GEMS coal products are sent to China, India, Pakistan, Thailand, Malaysia, Korea, and also to fulfill domestic needs. Borneo Indobara is located 200 kilometers from Banjarmasin, the capital of South Kalimantan, and 4 hours of road trip from Banjarmasin to the site. Among these ethnics and rich culture, abundant coal resources was found. Here, BIB started to operate a coal mining since 2005 with 30 years of production permit. BIB operates 4 pits: Giri Mulia, Batu Laki, Kusan, and Sebamban.